Hey guys, welcome to a new exciting episode, because in this episode we're going to upgrade the silver mirror caps with the OEM carbon fiber mirror caps. I will put the link in the description of where I bought them, so if you want to upgrade yours as well, yeah, you will have a link on where to buy them. So yeah, let's go ahead with the installation. So guys, the carbon fiber mirror caps on the 159 have been installed, and I think they look absolutely amazing. They were a bit harder to install than the injection molded plastic ones, but in the end it all worked, and yeah, they fit really nice on the 159. And I really love the contrast of the carbon fiber with the Bianco Pastello paint. And yeah, now basically, if you're sitting in the car, you're looking at carbon, but you're also looking at carbon on the outside. So yeah, I'm really happy with the look. Yeah, and now basically the hunt starts for a set of TI wheels that we can paint in either a dark Miron or Nero paint, yeah, to finish the project. And I think then the 159 will be yeah, really looking really cool. But yeah, already loving it how it looks now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next video with either an upgrade for the Brera or for the 159. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Bye.